That notebook's rather dusty. I missed it before. May I read it, please? It says, the shipment from Buenos Aires was delivered by our friend from the south. The explosives are packaged and waiting for collection in the cellar. Collect it on your next stay, on the 5th of March 1933.
Otto, your cellar is full of explosives. The brown shirts haven't collected the crates yet.
So, Gerhard was telling the truth. Those murderers are using my hotel as an explosives warehouse.
We're wasting time, Otto. We need to search the cellar.
Gott in Himmel! The warehouse has gone up in flames.
We must stop the fire from spreading. Where's that shovel, Otto?
There's a shovel downstairs in the cellar. Quickly, please.
Great! I found a shovel.
Anna, use the shovel to throw snow and put out the fire. That was a close call. What are they playing at?
The explosion was a warning from the brown shirts. Otto, just give up. I beg you.
No, I will not let them take my hotel.
One of their crates must have exploded. We should check the cellar for more explosives.
We can't afford to waste another minute. Let's search the cellar for explosives.
Great! I found some explosives. Oh no! That's another bomb, and the timer is running!
We're doomed. I'm sorry, this is all my fault. My smuggling caused all this.
I'll try to defuse the bomb. I'll need some luck.
You're our last hope, Anna. Just place the explosive somewhere stable first.
All right, here goes. done it! We're still alive. I hope there are no more explosives, but we need to be cautious.
I tried to imagine what the brown shirts have stored in the cabin.
Oh, come, Otto. Let's see for ourselves. This place seems too quiet. Keep watch while I look around. Great! I found some cigarettes. A packet of Argentinian cigarettes. This is no coincidence. Fortunately, nothing here is set to explode, gentlemen.
I can't carry this burden anymore. We should come clean and go to the police.
Otto, we cannot trust anyone in uniform. Neither blue nor brown.
We've outlived our usefulness to the brown shirts. They want us dead. They're coming after all witnesses. You said so yourself.
It's a brave decision, Otto. I'll stand by you no matter what.
This is all my fault. I'll notify the police and take the punishment. Could you help Otto back to the hotel, Anna? Bring him to the fireplace room. He's really shaken up.
Have a seat, Otto. Are you all right?
Oh, Anna. I have been such a fool. I'm just grateful to have you and Gerhard stand by me.
Otto, I want to ask you something. Do you trust Gerhard?
He's a determined man. He always delivers on his promises. I have never had reason to question Gerhard's loyalty.
How long have you known him?
About 10 years. We became friends after he supported me through my grief after the war. That conflict left scars on all of us.
I know you trust Gerhard, but there's something bothering me. Do you know if these cigarettes are his?
Well, I've never seen this brand before.
They're from South America. I have a theory. I need to check Gerhard's room before he gets back. It's upstairs, isn't it?
Yes, but what do you expect to find in his room? We can't tell.
Great, I found an ID card. The ID says, Gerhard Wagner, member of the Sturmabteilung since 1923. I should have known. Gerhard is a member of the Brown Shirts, and here's the proof. I need to warn Otto. The police will be here soon, and... Oh no. Gerhard won't go to the police. He'll try to escape. I can phone the police from reception.